Hello, I'm Kai. In this video, I'll show you how to make stunning Sora 2 videos, and I'm giving you 40 prompt examples to help you get started. Welcome back! I've missed you. This video is wild. It features every example you're looking for. First, let's check out the platform, Videoinu. The reason we're using it is twofold. A pro account gives you Sora 2 for free, and it allows us to create uncensored, unrestricted content. That's truly crazy. After being censored and blocked by Sora 2 on countless platforms, I finally discovered that Videoinu offers an unrestricted version. You can create long videos and even movies using Veo 3.1 or Kling. I have a complete guide for that, which I'll link in the description. But today, we're focusing on Sora 2. Sora 2 only provides the model and reference image controls. This means you must add all your desired settings directly into the prompt. We'll show you how to do that today, and I'll display the final videos, so you don't have to waste your credits. This platform is incredibly fast, and if you happen to get blocked by the regular Sora 2, you can simply use the enhanced mode here. I've already created clips of Lady Gaga and Trump using this method. It's simple. Copy the AI-generated prompt and paste it in. As a pro user, you get to use Sora 2 for free. You only pay for the uncensored content. But before you do that, let me take a moment to explain the secrets behind these prompts. The main reason we use JSON prompts is for precise control. Let's watch an example now. This one was created just using a simple prompt.
Aston Martin DB12. Power. Presence. Perfection.
The improvement here was massive. We got control over the audio, the camera, and the final look. But the question now is, what is timeline prompting? If JSON gave us control over details, the timeline allows us to control the flow and execute truly complex scene transitions. Flow control is managed by using timeline timestamps where we define a dedicated scene for every point. Let's dive into an example. As the clip showed, we now have truly smooth and coherent scenes. This flow control makes timeline prompting vastly superior for complex trailers and movies. Let's check out one more example. Also, have no worries about the prompting. I've created 40 prompt examples and will be giving you all of them, along with the generated videos, absolutely free. You can customize them as you wish. Thank you to everyone. Your comments and subscriptions give me fantastic energy. So, what exactly is JSON Timeline prompting? After some trouble, I realized we could mix JSON for details with the timeline for flow. It worked. We can now define the character inside the JSON, control style using a keys, and scene transition using the timeline. This makes multi-part prompting with constant characters a reality. Let's jump straight to an example. Just a reminder that both JSON styles I'm showing are functional, but I compact the second version for those platforms that have character limits for prompting.
All hands, man your battle stations. Repeat, man your battle stations.
Let's go, move it! Missile locked.
Box 3.
Warning, pull up! Viper, you're clear. Get home.
That was really crazy, right? Now let's see another multi-part creation using constant characters. I've generated a video in that old 90s series ad style. First with a simple prompt, then with the JSON Timeline prompt. After seeing the massive difference here, you'll finally understand the power of this method. Following this, I'll showcase a few short clips I created, even one using celebrities.
Stop, police! You're done, lady, give it up! Nice try, boys. Watch the heels.
Whoa! Ah!
Heelys roll out.
Wait! Back here, lady! You're finished, Grandma! Got her!
She's on heel.
I'm sure you can easily identify the simple prompt versus the JSON Timeline prompt now. Let's follow that up by watching a few ASMR clips created this way. Did you miss Michael Jackson? Let's see a Michael Jackson reaction video right now.
Into birthday gifts?
FCK, my TV is on fire!
That was great. With Halloween around the corner, should we dive into some spooky horror videos next? Let's go for something high tension. What about streamers' horror death scenes?
Oh god, it's getting colder. Come on. Reading's flat. Wait. No.
Let's take a break from the horror and do something funny. How about some content featuring Donald Trump and Putin, or recreating Michael Jackson trailers?
The king is back.
What about police chase and run videos? That is a consistently viral category for short-form content. If you love action movies, you're going to love this next clip.
Take it back.
We've covered a lot, so let's end this video with a few funny animal clips.
Hey, stop that! What are you doing? Ah, come on! What is wrong with you? Okay, forget it. Run!
Carlo, stop it! Leave the gun! Are you kidding me? Carlo, get away from that thing right now. I mean it!
Thank you all for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.